In this video, I'm going to go through the process of cloning OCS and then restoring a clone of an OCS. So in this first part, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to press the system key. And you see on the bottom it says clone unit down here. So I'll go select that. And I will hit the enter key. And I'm going to say make clone. It says, are you sure? I will say OK. It comes back and it says success, make clone operation. Say OK. And you'll notice that the date gets updated to on the auto load to today's date for this particular load process. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to escape out of the system key. And I'm going to clear the program out of this unit. Okay, so there's no program in this controller at this point. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and load that clone that we created. We'll hit the system key, go back to clone unit, hit the enter key, and this time we're going to say load clone. Notice that we have the autoload.pgm, and we're going to hit the enter key. I'm sorry, load clone, and it says, are you sure? We'll say OK. And in this process, it comes back and everything should pass, which it does, and now our unit's back up and running. So we're able to make a clone and load a clone in this process. A couple of things to note, the micro SD card, we support up to 32 gig. It must be formatted in a FAT32 format structure. So those are two things that you need to make sure of. Just a side note, not all micro SD cards are created equal. So some people like to buy their own. You can buy them very cheap on the internet, and sometimes you don't get what you think you're getting. So we've had a number of experiences where people have bought cards on the internet and they were inferior to what they were described as, and we've had problems with some of them not working and not formatting and not being supported on our product. So you're more than welcome to take that chance, and if it works, it works. If not, we certainly sell them at Horner so that you can use one that we know has been tested and proven to work and is a reliable source to get them from. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.